In this video, I'm going to show you how to export a Cakewalk Next project to Cakewalk Sonar. Now to do this, first you want to open your Cakewalk Next project that you want to of course import into Sonar, and then you want to go to the top left, click on File, and from here you want to click on Export to CXF. When you click on this, you want to select where you want to save it. I'm going to go to Downloads in this tutorial folder, and you want to give it a name. I'm going to name this one Tutorial, and I'm going to hit the Save button. Now once you've done this, you can open up Cakewalk Sonar, and from Cakewalk Sonar, you just want to go to the top left, click on File, and then click on Import, and then from here, select Cakewalk Interchange. When you do this, when you open this, as you can see, it says you can import CXF files, so just find the file we just saved, click on it, click on Open, and just like this, it's going to open it directly inside here, inside the Cakewalk Sonar. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.